What's up, guys? Matt here from Rolling Heavy Magazine. We just wanted to jump on today and say thanks to everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing the YouTube page we started about last month. The account's been there for a while, but we just started putting some force behind it, and we've been releasing some of the old videos that we've done in the past for whatever reason we did them. Whether it's from music videos to, events to just little quick movies we put together for something. So we've been posting those up, and we've got a bunch of new stuff we've been working on. A lot of event coverage, travel stories, some project stuff, you name it. We got a little bit of everything that we're coming up with, and we're going to be releasing that soon, so we really hope you dig it. But yeah, we just want to say thanks for everybody who's been behind us so far, and for if you've been following the magazine since we started it, thank you so much. It's you guys that help us make this happen, and we hope we're making something you guys really dig. Today we're jumping on to talk about one of the guys that we actually follow on YouTube. We also follow him on Instagram. His name's BaldGuy63 on Instagram. On YouTube, he's Action Auto Parts. His name's Jayme Phillips. And he does some really cool stuff. He's probably got the coolest collection of Day 2 hot rod stuff that I know of. He's got an entire garage full of brand new NOS mags from the 70s in the box. If you go on YouTube, Action Auto Parts, you can check his stuff out. He just posted a video of his room, and it's kind of crazy. But what he's been doing lately is been selling off some of his stuff to fund building a garage so he can actually start working on some of his project cars. So we've been buying stuff off of him in the last couple of years. And this package here he sent us, I'm really excited about. I also wanted to open it up on camera because I know what's supposed to be in here, and there's something more because we ordered a couple of dealer badges from cars from him, and this is definitely more than dealer badges. So we're going to tear this thing open and see what all he sent us. Now the thing is a lot of you guys don't know this. Magazine, we're all based in Los Angeles, California. I'm not from LA. I'm from Southern Illinois originally. So when Jayme posted these up and I saw them, I kind of had to go after them because, well, they're from my hometown of Belleville, Illinois. And I've never seen these before. If I would have bought them. He posted up, there were 6. He said he wanted to keep a couple, so I bought 4 of them. But these are them right here. McKinley & Sons Chevrolet, Belleville, Illinois. So if you guys can see that. That's pretty freaking cool, man. So when he posted these up, I had to go get them. He sold me 4, like I said, he kept 2. But he also sent some other stuff in here, and that's what we're about to find out. So we've got 4 of these badges, pretty cool. Nice Krager sticker. And what's this? Oh, cool, man, right on. Dig this. Sent us a shirt, right there. Nobody rides for free. Pretty cool, man. Jayme, thank you so much, man. Again, he's BaldGuy63 on Instagram. Action Auto Parts on YouTube. Go follow both. Check it out. If you're looking for cool stuff for your van, Jayme's got a lot of it. You just got to talk him into selling it to you. We got one other package here we want to open up. First off, cheers. And this got here a little while ago. It's from Russia. We get stuff from Russia. That's pretty cool. And they took the time to send it to us, so we're going to open it up on here and see what we got. We don't know yet what this is, but we're about to find out. Very cool, very cool. A bunch of stickers that say Moscow Street Vans. Let's see if we can get that to read up right there. Stupid lights. Moscow Street Vans. Pretty cool, man. We're going to keep a couple of these, but maybe we should give you guys a few. What do you think? Drop it in the comments below. Let us know. If you guys want to get one of these stickers, we'll mail it out to you. Make a comment. Let us know. Cool. Well, that's it. Jayme Phillips, thank you very much. Moscow Street Vans. Awesome. Thank you very much. Check them both out, and we'll talk to you soon. Later.